Hi everybody, in this video we are going to sort of reverse engineer something that had a trig identity applied to it to make it into something more simple. So let's get into this. So on your screen right now you should see a setup happening, right? I have two different angles. I have 25 pi over 9, there's an angle. It has, here's like where some people are getting confused, okay? If you have cosine of theta equals something, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. If you have something here next to cosine, that's your angle, right? And then that is your ratio. Don't get confused because angles don't need pi. If I have cosine, for example, of 25 over 9, that's still an angle, okay? That's still an angle because it's what you're taking the cosine of, and there's no degree symbol, so it's got to be a radian. And if I have cosine of theta equals, 5 pi over 3, that's your ratio. I mean, it makes no sense because the top's bigger than the bottom, so let's change it to pi over 8 because now it's like 3.14 over 8. That makes more sense for adjacent over hypotenuse. So don't think like if it has pi, it means something. No, it's just whatever you take the trig of is the angle, and whatever you get as your output, the answer is your ratio. Just want to clarify that because I think sometimes people get a little turned around, Okay, anyhow, let's analyze the structure. So we have cosine of an angle. Let's call it alpha. Looks like a little fish. I have cosine of another angle. It's not the same angle. Let's name it something else. Maybe beta. Plus sine of that first angle, sine of beta. So if you look at that, which identity is that? What is that really equal to behind the curtain on the left side of the equal sign, right? If you have it like this and you're like, what's over there? I want to know. Tell me. What is it? Cosine, cosine plus sine, sine. Hopefully you're able to use the noggin and you could figure out that that is cosine of alpha minus beta. If you accidentally put plus, you're going to figure out it's wrong, and I'll point out why. Cosine of alpha, let's fill in 25 pi over 9 minus beta 10 pi over 9, which is cosine of 15 pi over 9, which is, let's go here, cosine of, reduce with 3, 5 pi over 3. Okay, here we go. We're making progress. That's over here, tall and skinny like a tree. Cosine is your over a little, so 1/2 is your answer. Now, I said that if you did the wrong thing, if you accidentally made it adding, that you would know. Let's talk about how. If you accidentally made that plus, that would give you 35 pi over 9, which can't reduce. And if the directions say simplify or find the exact answer, can't do that. You don't have enough going on for you to be able to figure out what 35 pi over 9 as an angle gives you for cosine. So you would know you're wrong, right? But when you end up getting an angle that is on the unit circle, you're like, this seems promising, and for a good reason, because it is. So there you go. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So if you feel smarter and you love it, thumbs it up. If not, if you hate everything and you're cranky and you don't want to do this, thumbs down. But, maybe turn that attitude around. Sorry. Questions, comments, concerns, requests in the comments. Description box, links, screen, playlist, next video. Adios. Bye for now.